How are glow sticks made? Glow sticks have a thicker plastic outer shell with a chemical and dye inside, and in a separate smaller glass vial inside of the original casing, there is the hydrogen peroxide solution. Now, how does this create a glow? Well, it's pretty simple. When you crack the flexible outer tube, it stays intact, but the delicate inner compartment is broken, releasing the hydrogen peroxide to mix with the other solution.
So what chemicals do we see in glow sticks? Well, there are three main components: a hydrogen peroxide solution, oxalate ester, and fluorescent dye for color. How does the chemical reaction work? The peroxide acid decomposes spontaneously to carbon dioxide, releasing energy that excites the dye, which then relaxes by releasing a photon. The wavelength of the photon, the color of the emitted light, depends on the structure of the dye. The reaction releases energy mostly as light, with very little heat.